start with the night and the morning after. A couple of jokes that stay the course, that seem to last, although the people that they're all about have gone. A couple of plates, a couple of knives, a couple of slices in the toaster. The years go faster past your eyes. A couple of hats, a couple of bikes, a couple of pairs of running spikes, and socks are lying in the hall by the two umbrellas. A couple of papers, a couple of books by authors we both admire are waiting on the table to be read with a strong black coffee. A couple of ups, a couple of stops, and maybe false starts. We must own up, we're a couple of grown-ups after all. A couple of looks, a couple of lips, a tussle of twists and tails, and I fell in love with a girl and she with me. We were a couple of strangers once, strange as it seems life like strange dreams. Somehow strangers make the greatest friends this strange old world has seen. We were a couple of strangers